is another beer place where we are working on that has a little bit more water into it. I think I'm going to go this way instead of that way because I know this way will get me across. One sec. Alright, here's my food plot. I'm going to have to walk since my ATV is almost out of gas in the reserve tank. Here's what we did on mine. It's cleared pretty good. I planted oats here. There's my salt block. Very useful. They are making new trails. We're now going across to my second food plot that I planted. Here's my second food plot I planted. It's a lot more defined than the other area. And here's where the deer has been traveling. Real good. Following our path of where we did our food plot. And then it goes up and around by those trees over there. And then we have another trail going up here. Here's my mineral block that just was recently visited by a deer. So everything's good. I'll get footage of us coming back. Coming up to the bridge again, so I'll shut it off since I need to get across, and this will be the last area.
I know. What do you think?